Now, I want this allegation now. Nemaro, Ebe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, as a matter of fact, we did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I know from him 1 day, 2 days, and Abariwa, and you were contacted or only bono, and I can understand because of the nature of his job, there are things he might choose to keep away from you, and then in the US now, you know, Kanuta Kanu one is not on a mountain, which means bono. And assuming no release, I can not conclude donor. Out of greed or jealousy for their brother and money, they actually wanted him to be jailed. And then go and stand in the way. That is from what you said now, you've always fought for his well-being while Hannah fight Hannah counter from 2015, which means only stand well that 2015. This would have happened in 2015. Because one way they remove refining. Now that Kenya, assuming Kanuta Kanu guarantee DOS, the leadership of IPOB, Ebono, they would have stopped the rendition.
Absolutely.
So, what do you have to say about that?
That's what I hear with me with that now. There is something about when you walk in the spirit, you don't joke with the truth. Everything has to be in purity and honesty. So if someone who actually was speaking with the abductors of Mazi Nnamdi, the captors of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Kingsley spoke with them.
Wow.
Yes.
It's not true. I mean,
yes.
Okay.
So I said, he couldn't tell me. So regardless, she should have told me. There is no place that I can't go for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Should have said something. And just as you said, due to what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sometimes I'm not born, sometimes and then are they agitated all the time, most times, then are they furious, which impacted on my health as well. So, and then I can't say around, it's not the US, and
that's my anger.
Yes, and I didn't.
Now they are using propaganda, hiding behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then to gain sympathy from people. That is where I'm going to. And they're attacking me, and I don't bloody care. And that's why I'm interviewing. I want to get every truth. Do you know why? Our people deserve to know the truth.
Absolutely.
You understand?
And more truth.
More truth.
Is
now,
coming. So
he waited. So John Atoya, why lawman or government officials may arrest? He was not kidnapped. He knew. But even if he was kidnapped, no,
that's
what I'm saying now. Because it makes no sense. No John Atoge, naked na pro one naked, and Atoya. And Nnamdi Kanu is not someone you can arrest anyhow and treat anyhow. But because of the activities of Kanuta Kanu, he was rendition to Nigeria like a common criminal, a leader of an organization that has its branches in over 190 something countries. So I want our people to know and understand why we are doing this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even this is his wife. You can see the way his own siblings are treating his wife. Now, staying with their own family, taking care of their family, and this is the way they are treating family Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, simply because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu won't send the IPOB, and there is money. They know they can use him to make money. Now, how we could better the lives of their children and then abandon the wife. That's only dear. Even my own no John Atia, or question on Oga confide in his wife and IPOB leadership so that I marry here again. So this part, I'm not conclude that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu siblings actually wanted him to be jailed so that they can, even while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is around, they have been Kanuta Kanu and dominate to go and we go influence in IPOB, because Even at the moment Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was incarcerated, he was able to hijack the finance. That means the plotting of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu going to jail did not start. Today, the interview continues. Okay, now the case started, and then Ifeanyi Ejiofor, of course, fine lawyer, very intelligent, smart, hardworking. You know, I said something in one of my posts. I said, Ifeanyi Ejiofor got called to win, no, they hack over my mind.
Not easy.
Or they hack all easy. He got pay put all the code easy. Hagaze pecha tonga put an blame up was on ye. Now, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Koni Pipa, Yana, Osakome. And I may follow the proceedings. Hapotema Gilku na TV. The proceedings show them how my behind agent. Happy type they wanted discharge and acquitted, which means they won the case. And then federal government refused to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which anime. In fact, if I some members say release, they will not release them. Yeah, got court for the release. Or would they gonna pay court case again? And all the 17 men are case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now I'm with the win. Federal government may appeal. No, now I got to put to pressure. Get respect to go to win and all that. We don't need to go back to court. And then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how did they have the strength to hijack this case? Because I will let them know Emmanuel candidate against Ifeanyi Ejiofor. A man will report to Nigerian Bar Association and all that. So how did we get here? How did his brothers hijack him from you, from DOS, and from the rest of IPOB to the point of trying to build a parallel IPOB?
How that was achieved, I got me really that one one. But him when you call that now. In terms of Mazi Nnamdi, my with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from that discharge.
Yeah, media with
yes, and the our freedom now going to as well. Yes, and media then Nigerian government and Supreme Court because they're not happy. But aside that, other things were happening behind the closed door. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a political prisoner. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a high-profile case. So, and Mazi Nnamdi and Chief Ozokeme, they knew what was at stake, and they were hitting at the right spot.
Exactly.
And that man will go anywhere and speak of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Chief Ozokeme,
I had him
everywhere he went to. He was going to have a meeting with Prince Harry. He was coming to the UK, and he was going to raise the conversation. Anywhere he goes, he raises it. Wow! He raises the conversation. So this is how you see how God accomplishes things. That will set something into motion, then He begins to find people that will come to complete that thing, to make it flesh. So Chief was there doing as he could, Barrister as well doing as he could. So the hijack of things, that sometimes there could be things from the government side that is nobody could have stopped. That does not mean that or that they can't push again. So when you go, now the book of Revelation, and when you hear it asks that the accuser of the brethren, see Chineke, just the way he went to God, see in Job. Bible is not like to and fro. Or see in Job. He only know because you go. Or like it was you. So not in that. So, but one
I get this analysis.
Ekwensu is a very nice person. Ekwensu is a spiritual being. And spiritual beings, they don't break codes. They walk in code. So Ekwensu will come to God, say Chineke na Leonie is na my Lord on neck Chineke. This is not one in one. But Lenny her name now. So Ekwensu play your video. See Alekwa. She does not deserve your grace. She does not deserve your love. Stop loving her. So Ekwensu even goes with very wealthy evidence. Ekwensu need evidence na you know what I mean? But these certain people don't have any evidence. They cook it. and share, concoct like this. Mazi, no, when you bar and bad the other day, and the only money baron and one animal. So, Ndokutagama said, "Imafada, no, yes, and a bar, only do tamba."
Because so they sowed seed of discord between his lawyers and himself.
And his subjects. I call them Mazi Nnamdi Kanu subjects, the DOS. They are loyal to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu regardless.
I'm thinking I'm about a touch.
Regardless what anybody says about it. I walk in the spirit.
So you confirm that the DOS are 100% loyal to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
If they're against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu,
they are not planning to remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from.
Why would they remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's son's school fees was stopped, giving him manga bakuru.